Friends, we have a very interesting question here that in the very same series of circle, we have a interesting question that is bisectors of angle A, B, and C of a triangle ABC, sorry, intersect its circumcircle at DE and F respectively. Prove that the angle of the triangle DEF are 90 minus half of A, 90 minus half of B, and 90 minus half of C. Okay. Basically, this is the question from the circumcircle where a triangle is inscribed in a whole circle and the bisectors produced to the circle end of the circle that will be intersecting at a position where the bisectors are intersecting, and the angle formed by that triangle which is formed by the produced of the bisectors will be 90-degree minus half of A, 90-degree minus half of B, and 90-degree minus half of C. See, this question will easily understandable by the diagram. So first of all, our approach is to do our approach is to uh, make a figure, make a diagram so that we can easily understand it. Okay. So first of all, we draw a circle here. Okay, we draw a circle uh, somewhere here. Okay, sorry, making a circle here that will be visible to you easily. Okay. We increase its this is the diagram, and we increase the thickness and change the color. Okay, and enlarging it so that the triangle inscribed in it we can easily see it. Okay, so we have a triangle here. This will be the triangle's arm, and from this will be the triangle's arm. This will be the third arm of the triangle. As we know that three sides, three line segments are forming the triangle. Okay, three intersecting line segments form the triangle. So basically, this is our triangle. Okay, we can zoom out and somewhere here and zoom in. Okay, now zoom in. Okay, so we have a triangle here. Let us name it as angle A, angle A, that will be angle A. Okay, this will be the A. This will be B, and this will be C. Okay, these are the uh, sides. These are the vertices of the triangle. So basically, in this triangle, we have a uh, bisector first. Okay, so let us draw the bisector of angle A that will touch the triangle, that will touch the circle. Okay? This will be the bisector. Okay, let us make a bisector here. This will be increased, and color is red. Okay, so making it this one. This one will be the bisector. This one will be the bisector, and this one will be the bisector. Yeah, these all are the bisectors of angle A, angle B, and angle C. Clear? B will be, sorry, okay. Triangle A, B, and C. These are the bisectors of the angle A, angle B, and angle C. So it is clear that at this point we have to mention the vertices. So this one will E, okay. This one will become E. This one is F, and this one is D. This one will be D. Yeah. Now, according to the question, mm, there will be a triangle between D, E, F. So, what will be the approach? First of all, let us write down the given, what we have and what we have to prove. Okay. So, first of all, starts with given, what we have. Okay. Then, what we have? We have, so there is a triangle. There is a triangle inscribed inscribed in the circle, that is ABC. Yeah. And to prove, what we have to prove here, that triangle triangle DEF have this one. So first of all, we are doing a construction here. Okay. First of all, we are doing a construction in our construction in our uh, whole diagram so that we can uh, easily approach, easily solve this question. So join FD, ED, and FEF. Okay, this we have to join here. Clear? Now proving. Now we are proving here that how this will half of 90 degree. Okay, so just join these one. This one increase the thickness so that will it will be visible to us. This one, so increasing thickness, and this one. Okay, that will be fine. Okay, now the final diagram. Now the final diagram is this one. So we are mentioning this as a half of angle A. Okay, so we are pointing here that this angle and this angle will be half of A. So A by 2. This will be A by 2. This will be A by 2. See, A by 2. Another one will be A by 2. This will also A by 2. Okay. And now this one will be B by 2. So this one and this one also B by 2. So mentioning these one B by 2. Okay, this will be B by 2. And also this one will be B by 2. Clear? This one also B by 2. Now here we have bisector of angle C. So we are mentioning here also that this one will be C by 2. Okay. This one will also C by 2 and this one will be C by 2. So pointing out here, this angle and this angle and this angle. Okay. Now it is clear that angle, sorry, bisector AD will be the bisector of angle BAC and FC is the bisector of angle ACB and BE is the bisector of angle ABC. So now coming to the question, Now coming to the question here. Okay, this one. Now coming to the question. Now we have to prove. So starting with the angle, angle BED equals to angle BAD. This one. First of all, BED. Okay, and BAB. Both are equal because they are on the same segment. Okay, as both are on the same segment. Both are on the same segment. Which segment? That is BP. Yeah, we can change the color so that we can easily understand that what is the aspect of our question. Okay. Now this proves that this will prove that uh, angle angle BED will be equals to half of angle A by 2. Angle A by 2. Okay. So also angle BEF equals to angle that is BCF. BCF. Which one? That is BEF and PCF. This one. Because both are on the same segment, that is DF or FB. Okay. We are mentioning here that what is the reason behind it. So what is the reason behind it? That as both are on the same segment FB. Okay, here it is clear. Now, this implies that what it is implying implies that angle BEF equals to half of angle that is angle C. Angle C. Okay, half of angle C. That is clear. Now, this will be clear here. Okay, so now we have, if we are adding both of the equations, okay, both of the angles, angle BED plus angle, sorry, plus angle BEF that is will be equals to angle A by 2 plus angle C by 2. This will okay. So whole angle will be angle DEF, that will be equals to half of angle A plus angle C. Okay. So this implies that angle DEF will be equals to half of which one? 180 degree, 180 degree minus angle B. Why? This is because of since since angle A angles angles A plus B plus C will be equals to 180 degree due to because of angle some property of the triangle. Clear? So after that, this is clear that angle DEF will be half of angle 180 degree minus angle B. So angle DEF equals to 90 degree minus angle angle B. Clear? This we have to prove here. So we observe we observe that AF subtended subtended subtends angles AD ADF and angle ACF at points D and C. So in the same segment. Okay, at the same segment. Okay, now it is clear that therefore what will happen? Angle ADF will be equals to angle ACF. Okay, now angle ADF equals to half of angle C. Okay, also angle ADE equals to angle which one? That is ABE. Because both are on the same segment. Okay, it is clear. So angle whole angle that will be ADE equals to half of angle B. Okay, now adding both of them, Now adding both of them. So we have therefore, sorry, writing mistake. Therefore, angle ADE plus angle AD, sorry, F equals to half of whole angle, that is angle B and angle C. Is that clear here? I think I'm proving the same way so that you can easily understand. Okay. Therefore, angle ADE plus angle ADF, that will be equals to half of angle B and angle C. See? So this will implies that angle EDF will be equals to half of the 1 by 2, half of, that is angle B plus angle C. Okay, half of angle B plus angle C. This one. Okay. So this will implies that that angle EDF will be equals to half of 180-degree minus which one? That is angle A. Okay, because angle B plus angle C will be equals to 180-degree minus angle A, because some of the angle, some property will be angle A plus angle B equals plus angle C will be equals to 180-degree. So here angle A will be equals to sorry, angle B plus angle C will be equals to 180-degree minus angle A. So this will implies that angle, sorry, angle EDF will be 90-degree minus angle A. So we have proved that angle EDF equals to 90-degree, and we have also proved that angle DEF, that will be here. Okay, that is here, and 1 here. So after that, similarly, 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 we have we have angle we have angle DFC will be equals to angle DAC. Okay, this will imply that D angle DEF will be equals to half of angle, sorry, oh, sorry, angle, half of angle A. Okay, and also angle CFE will be equals to angle CBE. Okay, that will be that will implies that angle CFE will be equals to half of angle B. Clear? Now adding both of them, that will be angle DFP plus angle CFE, because both are on the same segment. So this will be equals to half of angle A plus angle B. Okay. Now this will implies that angle DFE will be equals to half of 180 degree, sorry, 180 degree minus angle C. Clear? So therefore angle DFE will be equals to half of, half will be multiplied by 180 degree and the angle C. So 90 degree minus angle C by 2. Okay. Here we have proved this one. Okay. This one. Sorry, not this one. This one. Okay. And also this one. So basically, what is happening here, that this whole thing is in this triangle DEF having angles, that is 90 degree minus B, 90 degree minus A, and 90 degree minus C. Okay. I'm zooming out. Now I'm zooming out so that you guys can easily understand, and you can easily take a screenshot over this question. This is our question and this is our basic diagram. Okay, this is our basic diagram and this is the question solved here. Okay, thank you guys.